Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I am so excited to be sharing my decor closet with you guys, even though it's not the cleanest at the moment, and that is why we are here today. We will be cleaning, organizing, decluttering. So if you are new here, my name is Ryan Michelle, and on my channel I do organizing, cleaning, home decor, and lifestyle videos. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video, and let's get to it.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel
So I'm going to start by pulling everything out of the closet. It is so much stuff in here that I do not use. I've been hoarding it for years and years and years, thinking I'm going to use it, but I've just never used it. So I will be getting rid of that stuff. So
Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you.
I hope that this video gives you a ton of cleaning motivation to go in there and tackle that one area that you know you need to declutter. So hopefully you can do that with me, or if not, just do it another time. But I hope this video gives you a lot of cleaning motivation. And if you are cleaning with me right now, leave me some purple heart emojis in the comment section, and I really hope you can clean with me the entire video. Guys, watching the video does help out my channel so much, and also give this video a thumbs up.
So rich, no, I don't know the thing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment.
If you are new here, my name is Ryan Michelle. I'm a military wife. I'm also a stay-at-home mom of 4, and on my channel I make cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos. So if you are interested in that type of content, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your
Are you
notifications.
thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I know we just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in
Okay, y'all, so it is so much stuff. Like a lot. So the kitchen stuff, I recently, they are so loud. So all of the kitchen stuff, I put it up because the boys were breaking all of the food. So I had to put all of this. So I had to put all of this stuff up because my sweet Lauren is not even going to get the chance to play with this stuff because they tear everything up. So that's why I put everything up, all of this food. So I'm going to try it again, see how they take care of it, and I'll put it back out. But yeah.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from stop the clock and rewind. Go back to that moment.
So after Christmas, I usually do the sales, shop the sales. So a lot of this stuff is from those sales and I just forget I have them. And when Christmas comes, I end up rebuying stuff again because I forget about the stuff that I have. That's when you know you have way too much stuff and it's time to let it go.
It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
You can also find me on Instagram at mommyanddecorate_Ryan.
Everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love.
So in the comment section, I want you guys to guess what is my favorite holiday to decorate for. It cannot be that hard, y'all. Come on, leave me some comments.
Your love, put your love on me.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for
Does anyone else kids bite into the fake food? Like I'm over it. Over it. So I had to throw that away.
and everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything.
I told y'all I like to hoard everything. I will keep all of the stuff from Halloween for years. The buckets, everything. We reuse everything. And I also do that for Easter with the Easter basket. So you will see a lot of that.
In the future with me, I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with Chaka chapumbana, chaka. Anything that you do now, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh no 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 no.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over, we could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified.
The reason I do not have all of these books in the book nook is because Landon is at that stage where he will rip up all of the paperback books, and I am not here for it. So I put them up, and all of the hardback books are on the book nook.
Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices.
Cluttering this closet was a lot of work, so it actually took me 2 days to do this. So this is the next day.
I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you.
So being that I did leave this looking like this, the boys came over here, and of course they got into everything, took all of the fruit and food out. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm picking up all of the mess that they made.
Gotta find a
you are still here watching right now, I want to thank you. And I just also want to thank all of my returning subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the whole video. Don't forget to like this video. Leave me some comments down below. You are about to see the finished look. So I hope you enjoy. I hope this video gave you a ton of cleaning motivation. And I hope you can declutter that space that you've been needing to declutter. Everything that you see right here on the floor will be going to the Goodwill or the curb. Okay, y'all, so this next clip will be a video in the near future. As you can see, it looks a mess. So we will be cleaning and decluttering this room in the future. Thank you guys for watching.